Do you already know all the unique helpful parts and attachments of our nLITE brushes? Here we can help you find exactly the right brush for any need, in different sizes, with top-of-the-line, innovative features that make your work easier and reliably guarantee perfect cleaning results every time. Starting with the innovative Power Bristle technology, where short, synthetic inner bristles, similar to natural hair, ensure extremely high cleaning performance. And longer outer bristles ensure easy gliding without the brush moving when you don't want it to. Another excellent feature is the rinse bar on the brush head. It allows you to powerfully and efficiently rinse the glass surface when cleaning. By the way, the rinse bar works best in combination with the intuitive Swivel technology. This technology allows you to glide the brush over the surface even faster with an S-shaped swing. Simply open the Swivel Lock, and the 180-degree swiveling brush base allows you to clean quickly and precisely right into the last corner. And let's not forget the soft touch bumper. This edge and impact protection, made of soft plastic, protects window frames from damage and significantly reduces impact noise. Of course, you can quickly change the different brushes with just a few simple steps. For example, to effortlessly clean particularly dirty windowsills with our nLITE angled brush. Now you're saying, "Wow, that's what I'm talking about." Then get ready for perfect cleaning results and any detailed information you need, including about our modular nLITE angle adapter, which allows you to simply and effectively connect poles and brushes. With the pure water cleaning system from UNGER, you can easily do everything right, we promise. Make an appointment for a consultation today. Find out more here.